In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on Fiverr. Whether you're a business owner looking to outsource tasks or an individual in need of specific freelance services, posting a job on Fiverr can connect you with skilled freelancers ready to meet your needs. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your Fiverr account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your buyer account. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your profile icon sitting comfortably at the top of the screen. Click on that profile icon and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this selection, choose the option labeled Your Briefs. This will lead you to another page where you can manage all your project briefs. It's a straightforward process, and from here, you're just a few steps away from successfully posting your job on Fiverr. Once you're on the My Briefs page, you'll need to click on Post a Project Brief. It's as simple as that. If you already have a project brief prepared, like I have in this example, you can simply paste it in here. Let's take a moment to discuss what elements make an effective project brief and how that can set you up for success on Fiverr. Imagine you're focusing on a project that involves providing a professional service in audio editing using Audacity. This might cover tasks like merging vocals, removing background noise, enhancing sound quality, and exporting audio files that are polished and ready to go. The ultimate aim here is not just to complete these tasks, but to deliver high-quality results promptly while tailoring the output to the client's specific needs. When crafting your own project brief, clarity and conciseness are your best allies. Ensuring that you clearly specify the tools you'll be using, like Audacity in our example, and the nature of the work required, whether it's mixing, editing, or cleaning audio, is vital. By providing these details, you paint a clear picture for potential freelancers, vastly improving your chances of finding the right match for your project. With your brief written, you can scroll down on the page to add any additional details, such as your budget or specific deadlines. These elements are crucial because they help define the scope of your project and set the right expectations for potential freelancers. Once everything looks just right and you're feeling confident with your brief, go ahead and click Generate Brief. Fiverr will then ask you if it will be an ongoing collaboration or one-time deadline-oriented. Enter the hourly rate or fixed price per delivery, hit save, then click Invite Freelancers. Fiverr will then work its magic to match you with qualified freelancers who boast the skills and expertise needed to handle your project efficiently. And there you have it. That's how you post a job on Fiverr and create a compelling project brief. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fiverr tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.